What? You're on my channel and it's not 5,000 o'clock in the morning or 3 o'clock in the afternoon? It's the evening?
What?
How? What? Is my channel turning into a normal channel?
What?
I feel like I'm about to be in a weird transition of my life where I don't want to say, yeehaw everybody, it's me Aaliyah, welcome back to my channel, yeah. There's a wig right there, just ignore it. I think I need to say yeehaw still, but it needs to be something else after that. Maybe now it should be, yeehaw everybody, it's me Aaliyah, welcome back. Great. My makeup look, wait, I'm not wearing makeup. I took it off, but like I half-assed took it off, so that's why I look awful. Honestly, about 2 minutes ago, I decided that today's video is gonna be me organizing my makeup because I can't think of any other video ideas because I'm awful. So I'm gonna organize my makeup. I really am not planning to really organize it. I'm just calling it that so I can make a video and edit it and have a title for it, you know? It's not organized and I can show you. Okay, so there's this thing and the sun is ruining everything. Not like it's keeping me alive or anything like that. This specific thing right here was given to me by Renee. It was specifically for my ABH stuff. So this has literally just been ABH stuff. It's missing things, and I'll show you where those things have gone. There's this thing, and this has like other things that aren't my ABH collection. There's other ABH things from like before I got on their PR, but like, you know, whatever. And then there's like some miscellaneous things here and wig glue. Basically, I'm gonna find purpose for myself. I hope so.
It was at this moment that he knew. He up.
I wish I was kidding when I tell you that I just laid my head on a plate that has ketchup on it. Thank God my wig doesn't have ketchup in it because I don't think I could reverse that. I'm trying to be really careful about how I show off my room because it's disgusting. It's Michael Jackson. So this is where I like put my makeup when I'm doing my makeup, on this little table. It has a lot of shiz on it. Like, you know, palettes, cleanser, brushes, lipstick, all the things that, you know, I need when I'm doing a face of my face. Flip. On the floor, I have more makeup that I just, and other things that I failed to put back over there because I'm just very unorganized. Like I said, I'm gonna organize my makeup as soon as this video is over, and as soon as I do my makeup tomorrow, it's gonna be unorganized again, and this video would just have been a waste, so it's fine. I don't really know where to start here. I guess I can start by putting up my brushes. So I have my brushes right here because I put them there when I'm doing my makeup, or I put some of them there when I'm doing my makeup. Let me fix the blinds. This isn't any better. Whatever. I wanna organize my brushes, so. Wow, that was so hard. Ugh, crazy stuff. Crazy, interesting, amazing content. Okay, I'm gonna start with the ABH stuff because the ABH stuff is what I know, because that's the easiest stuff to organize because it's the least amount of makeup. First, I have these eyeshadow palettes sitting right here, and it's Riviera and Alyssa Edwards one. So I'm gonna put these in a big drawer. I just put them in here, and yeah, so it's like in this one there's, you know what, I'll show you that later when it's like done, because like that's like the whole point, right? This video isn't good. Oh my god. If I really showed you everything I did, this would be terrible. So if I just make it like quick and quirky and funny, then you'll watch it, and then you might subscribe, and then you won't unsubscribe, and then you'll still love me, and then I'll still get attention because I'm a Libra and I thrive off of attention. Yes, check in with you later, bye. So I'm already running into a problem because obviously I've got more PR from ABH than like the first time that I got that big package. Now I don't really have room to put all the things that they've given me like in this organizer. When I got the Alyssa Edwards palette, for example, I had to shove the Prism palette out of the top shelf right there. So like it's already an issue, and like now it's just more of an issue because now I have more makeup, and this is a very first world problem. But like when I'm trying to organize my life, because I don't organize my life and I just want to be organized for like 1 second, it becomes a problem and I'm getting stressed. So like we'll figure it out. I'm not worried about it. I literally just brushed my foot up against a pair of scissors on my floor. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Where did I leave you before? I was putting stuff over there. Cool, great. I just picked up everything that I left on the floor over there. It's not that much though, because I mean, I use like the same stuff every day basically. So it's like just a couple things I put on the floor where I sit and do my makeup. So like they're always there to reach. Ooh, the sprinklers are on. Basically, I'm gonna figure out where the frick to put these because I'm kind of just not feeling like doing any of this anymore. But you know what? I'm gonna figure it out. Yep. I probably just filmed for 2 minutes talking to you guys, and then I realized that it was a time lapse. I'm already done. That was way faster than I anticipated. Also, there's glitter all over my face. I meant to address this 10 years ago in the video, but I did a look with glitter. It's everywhere, can't help it. But that was way faster, way easier than I thought. It turns out being organized isn't that hard. Let me just show you where everything is so you can know where all my makeup is now. So like I said, this is the magnificent ABH shrine. So here I have like brow stuff and tools, brow mascaras and brow little pencil things, scissors for your brows and tweezers for your brows, 2 ebony dip brows. Here I have the ABH compact, the loose powder highlights. These are blushes and bronzers. These are the loose pigments. These are the loose glitter. This is probably gel liner, and this is another dip brown, dark brown. Matte lipsticks. More matte lipsticks. Glosses featuring a feather. Bullet lipsticks from ABH. Riviera and Alyssa Edwards palette. Modern Renaissance and Lavina palette. Prism palette. And this one is Soft Glam and Subculture. Glitter glue. Base for your eyes or whatever, pencil sharpener. You know what, I shouldn't be naming literally everything that I have, whatever. Stuff. Here are like 3 little palettes that they also gave me in the PR package, and then here are just some like little flat palettes right here that just sit easy right there. In this drawer we have all my every other lipstick drawer. These are all some mascaras, eyeliners, loose pigments, glue, foundation sticks, whatever. And here are some palettes. Here is other stuff like a PR packaging box things, dewy set. There's Laura Mercier right there. These are foundation palettes that I got from makeup school, and then I realized I didn't want to do makeup, so it's like kind of wasting money. Here's some palettes right here. Here are some more makeup brushes. Here's wig glue. Here's actual glue, individuals. Here's some random palettes. There's Juvia's Place palettes hidden in the back because, you know, we don't stand. Here are lashes from the Lash Firm. Here's some lashes from Moon Girl Lashes. You can use my code aliyqh for some cash coin off. And here's a deck of cards that Violet Voss gave me. That's literally it. I feel like people think I have a lot of makeup because I'm like, I do makeup, social media. I'm pretending like I didn't just jam my foot into my bed because I'm a strong woman. I mean, that's more than people in the world. Why can't I talk? I feel like I just don't know how to film at 7 o'clock in the evening. Like, this isn't me. I just feel like I don't have a lot of makeup. I never do. I'm grateful for all the makeup that I have. I feel like people who don't do their makeup like I do have more makeup than me, and it's kind of weird, but like I just feel like that's just how it be, you know? But that's literally the whole entire video. That was the shortest video I think I've ever made in my life, maybe, besides like a cover. I'm sorry that was a waste of your time. I hope this is funny, and I hope you liked it. That's why I'm acting weird, to just compensate for the fear that this isn't gonna be at all funny or entertaining. But let me know if you liked it, and if you didn't, please don't let me know, because then I'll probably cry. If you guys enjoyed this video, please get a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button so you're notified anytime that I post. Please like this, because this was such a waste of my time, because tomorrow I'm literally going to drag it all back out, put it all right back on that table, and never reorganize it again. My chaos is my way of being organized, because I know where everything is. Just please like it. I love you guys so much. I'll see you next week. Bye. Oh, I thought I stopped it. I didn't. Well, since we're still here, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter and add me on Snapchat. They're all in the description below.